Hey guys, Mike here. Getting ready to talk about what we're going to be watching on Monday, June 23rd. I would start with The Spy, which looks like it could be trying to roll over a bit. And then we had, unless you live under a rock, we had some events this weekend, so we'll have to see how those shake out tomorrow at the Open. But let me go into what we're watching tomorrow. I'm not sure, again, if the whole market's going to gap down big, and I really don't know. A lot of these might seem irrelevant in the morning, but then we'll find new gappers, so it really doesn't matter. Um, but let me put this up here for the new faces in chat so you understand what we're all about in the room. And I'm going to start with GRRR. Big volume and a nice breakout attempt after earnings. Kind of closing off its highs, but definitely goes on watch. LGCL, nice breakout. We're going to watch that one. SGMT, which I pointed out in chat today. Friday. And I know a lot of you got a decent trade off that. I still think it's worth watching because you had this big run, a few day pullback, and is curling up near recent highs again, right? DPRO, big volume on Friday, could continue. SRM is very extended, but man, it just keeps finding buyers. So I'm going to, as a day trader, I'm going to watch it, right? KWE had this big rip on Thursday, inside day on Friday, but holding up pretty well too. So we're going to watch that one. IMRX. It's a weird chart because it gapped up on good news and sold off the entire day, and then the next day popped and then gapped up and sold off. So if that pattern is going to continue, I really don't mind the red day on Friday. It's still got great strength, and it could be a green day tomorrow. So it goes on watch too. BKSY, if I kind of put a horizontal line here, you see it broke out on good volume on Friday. CTOR, also big volume, but closing off its high. Still going to watch it. APPS had the big breakout. Now you got 2 days in a row on declining volume, kind of retesting the breakout area. So that one goes on bounce watch. SMR, the baby nukes, goes on bounce watch, getting into that. Back here was the breakout level, right? And it's coming down to retest that. So I like that one for a turn back up. Same with OKLO. This is kind of the area that it broke, and it's retesting that area. It's kind of in that area between the 8 and the 20 period or daily moving average. So that one's interesting. And then I put UMAC on watch. Also a really strong stock lately. 3 days down in a row now into that buy zone area, kind of retesting previous support. So that's it. Not a big list. I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll throw some gappers on the list as well. All right. Have a great rest of your weekend.